What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number priority. I'm happy to see you guys. I got a whole bunch of gadgets that is fits your pocket, DC tools, lighters, things like that. I found on Amazon, thought it was really cool. Let's check them out, see what they're all about. For the first one, I got it here, next torch running bracelet. So it has a light right here. Probably be better if it be in the dark. Much better in the dark, but you can adjust it into flashing or green solid one, and then you can put it onto your biceps, so whenever you're running people can see you. You can adjust it down to your hand, wherever. It's kind of cool, even almost onto your head or helmet. Well, that might fall off, but makes sense, right? And also you can use it like a glow stick whenever it's unfolded. Super cool. Here is the screwdriver, automatic buttons, and there is a label on each one. So this is Phillips head, and this would be a bigger one. This is quite nice and comfortable. I have big hands. Then there's Allen wrenches, and let's say this will get locked up. What do? All I have to do is just shake it a couple of times like this, and it will be fine. One more time. You see, this is stuck. Hit it a couple of times and now it's going to work again. So not a big deal. Screwdrivers, there is explanation on how to do it in case it does get stuck. So super easy to grab and pull out any screwdriver that I need. Flathead, Phillips head, ready to go. Twist it, very nice and strong in there, and then push it back. So unique. Key bit by CVV. So there's a keyring inside there with a couple of extra rubber rings. So there's the keyring will go through here, and then unspinnable. Nice. Couple of spins, and we have a bit driver on this side, flippable, and goes on this side. This is a star bit. Beautiful. So also will be able to put in other bits in case I want like a flat head, or I want Phillips head. I could do that, but it is really small. For the keychain is perfect, as big as my pinky, actually smaller. So high quality titanium, and looks like on the other side right here I could put this to the bit, I could put it to the ring and actually have on a ring by itself like this, and I think that's what it's for. But yeah, or I can plug it in. Oh wait, is that a magnet? Let's feel it. Oh yeah, there is a magnet. Beautiful. So very small bit driver, which is perfect for the keychain, everyday carry. Olight Provest 500 lumens. Always 245 meters. Open it up. Comes with this case and comes with all these charging wires. What else? Charging wireless station and stick one. So to charge it, plug it in, and USB-C wire comes with it. So when it's plugged in the holder, still accessible, on and off, throw, lock, kind of batteries. It comes with the all-light rechargeable batteries, 5000 mAh, 3.6 volt, really big battery. Magnet on the bottom, so holds really well. Ooh, stone. Okay, now press hold for different modes, and a lantern. Press and hold for brighter setting, lower setting. Plug it in onto something like a ceiling light, as long as it has some kind of metal to connect it to a light. Double click, super bright, turbo, triple click. We got it here, different options, and if it's on a lock, it will be this. Really cool. Got it here, torch lighter, spin it, and we have a torch. Turn it off. and it slides up, showing how much power there is. Beautiful. Recharging. Turn it off. All I have to do is shake. It activates it with the electricity right here. Boom, it's on. And turn it off. There's USB-C rechargeable and plus minus adjustable and refiller. But yeah, triple torch by just shaking it. Well, there's a safety right here, one, and turn it on. And if I just turn it on and don't do anything, sounds like the gas going. Shake it, boom, instantly. I like it. And this button is really takes quite a bit of pressure to push, so it's safety built in. Got right here a very unique fidget toy. There's magnets to where it has 1-2 clicks. I love the noise it makes. Takes a lot of practice to use it. There's a fidget spinner. Spin it this way, and then I can go this way. Click it. I could do 3-way as well, to where it drops 2 times. It takes a little bit of practice. It's to where it drops 1 more time this way, all in one flick. But I could go this way, could go side to side. Again, takes a little bit of practice to learn how to use it, but it is very satisfying. This way, especially those cool tricks like this. There you go. I like it. There you go. That's what I was trying to do. This is so much fun. Fork and a knife, new utensil. Let's see. So just push this. Boom. This is like a plastic set. This is a little knife, plastic knife. There's a fork. Is that a whistle? I don't think so. But just slide it back in. Boom. Lock in. We have a fork. We have a spoon. And if I need fork and a knife, there you go. Next torch, zip tie cutter right here. So in case I want to open something like this, I can get into it without damaging the product. Just slide it in and cut it. Nice. So it's perfect to cut any kind of zip ties. Take it off. And they're very powerful. Check this out. Just grab it and push it. And it cuts it so well. I've been using them for a long time, cutting some big zip ties, and it works really well. Also, that blade is replaceable. Once it's dull out, I can remove it and resharpen it or get a new one. Let's test the shears. So this non-sharp edge, and let's say I want to cut the rope. This is a really thick rope. Double, no problem. Can I do like triple? Yeah, easy. Let's do it one more. So we have a really thick rope right here. Can we cut it anyways with one cut? Easy. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.